Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be transforming some of these fruits and vegetables into something bigger. I started planting these about 2 weeks ago. I planted olives and I didn't want to put it in nothing bigger because I wanted to make sure they would grow. And so far they are growing. They've been growing. So now I'm gonna take it a step further. I planted these down here on the ground about 2 weeks ago. This one I just bought this one yesterday. It's a bell pepper. I'm like, how did I forget a bell pepper? But yeah, we have a bell pepper. We have one, two, three, four, one, two, three. We have one, two, three, four. We have four tomatoes. We have one watermelon, and we have like four small jalapeno peppers. Yeah, so I've been doing wonderful with this. So now I'm finna pump it up a little. I'm gonna add some cow manure and some more stuff to it. Yeah, because they need the big ones. They need a little bit more. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna put the cow manure and soil stuff in here and mix it up. I read everything I have the cow manure. But it say don't add too much because you can't burn it. So I'm not gonna add that much. And yeah, let's get to it. So I'm new at this. This is my first time since prices so high on stuff. I'm like, let me start trying to plant me my own food. I'm gonna start little and work myself up if I do good. But yeah, guys, if you have a house, even if you have an apartment, you can plant something in pots in your apartment. Times are getting hard. Fruits and vegetables is really expensive. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay. I have a little bit in this bag. This is what I got. This is what I used the first time. So we're gonna pour all this in here. I got my shovel. I was looking for my shovel like somebody stole my shovel. Okay. I got it. Okay. And who made this? I don't see. All purpose potting stuff. You wanna sponsor me? Sponsor me. Okay, we got the rest of that in there. Let me show you guys how it look. And this is how it look. Just this. Okay. We have that. And this is the cow manure. Cow manure. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. Okay. I don't use too much to mix this up. I think. So yeah, we're gonna like fill this up. And I think this will be enough to start with. I gotta get an idea of how much to start with since it's my first time. Come over here and we're gonna pour this inside here. Then I have a spoon, mix it up. Then I'm open the other bag and pour some of that in there. I think that's all the manure I'm gonna use. I'd rather be use too little than too much. So yeah, we'll start with that. So let's open the other potting soil. This is what we're gonna use. This. And stuff wasn't too expensive. Common was only like $3, and this was $5. And the pepper plant was how much was that? $5, but you can go to Walmart and get it cheaper for 4. And this is how that brand look. Pour it in there. I'm gonna put about 2 of these in there. Okay, I'm gonna mix this up. I have some coffee grind, but I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna mix this with it. I use it the next time. Oh, why is sticking here? Rocco, shut up! I'm just breaking up the little chunks that's in here. Rocco, shut up! That's when he left to go put some holes in my pots, and he ain't came back yet. So yeah, I got this mixed up here pretty good. That's how that look. So for the bigger ones, I'm just gonna add some more because these tomatoes is some kind of girly, and they say they get 4 to 5 feet. They get tall as me. So I'm gonna leave these in here, and I already pruned them. So yeah, I should have pruned these down here. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna prune these down here around this because they're gonna be all covered up on there. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I pruned the flowers that was on top, and there go the tomato. You see the one that's coming out bottom. I'm gonna go and prune those. Get those off. So yeah, we're gonna prune them. Get these. Oh, we don't need these because I have another one that's growing right on the other tomato. I'm like, I don't need that like that. So this one looks pretty good. So yeah, I need to add some more fertilizer to it. Yep, this is my first time trying to do this. Ugh. I'm like, I gotta do something. And if this do good and produce, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to see when can you grow corn. And I know corn get big, so I'm gonna grow them around my fence. Cause things is getting hard. Times are getting hard. So why not grow your own food? Right? Potatoes, corn. So that's that. For this one, ooh, I put some orange peeling in there. And yeah, I pruned this one too. So right now I don't have no flowers. I can't believe it. I can't believe they said anything is 4 to 5 feet tall. I think I'm at least cut this one right here out. So yeah, we're gonna cut that one. Okay, it's gone. Yeah. And there's some little ones coming up on the bottom. I'm gonna cut that. You see how it's leaning to the side? So I need to get that straight. I need to get me some of the sticks so they can be up straight. Won't be all bent over. I don't see no stick. I have to buy me some. Cause that one is like bent over. And I want it straight up. So yeah. The rust won't mess up. I don't know. So we're gonna try these. So yeah, we're just gonna try these. I gotta hurry up before the sun go down. What's down? Okay, hopefully that'll yeah keep it straight. Okay, we got two done. And then I have these. I'm gonna put my watermelon in here. Put my watermelon in here. And you know what? I should wait till tomorrow so I can have more light. I think that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna wait till it get daytime tomorrow and come back and finish. And since this is the only one in here, we're gonna add this in there. Looks like it's gonna yeah come out pretty easy. Hey, they have roots all the way over there. Look at that. Yeah, it had grew roots all the way over to the other side. But that's that. We'll clip this, prune this. And yeah. Y'all see the tomato? Hopefully it'll make it. We still got a while to go. Okay, that's enough. Ah, probably have to get a little bit more. Yeah. I'll wait to the edge. And we might cut this one off. Cause I know they said if it's below that. I'm gonna chop that out. Then we're gonna come up here and cut the little flowers out. That's what they say do, so hopefully I won't regret it. A few right here. That's that. This one is not a girl. This is a regular one I bought from Walmart. That's it's this bell pepper. It's a red one. Roots look good. I'm not gonna spread them out. I might prune this one, the bottom ones. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cut out the low bottom ones. I didn't even see, do you supposed to prune these? I didn't even check. Oh well, I'm pruning them. This one is in the starter thing. So I see how I do if it do good like that, and then I get something else. They got a couple of flowers. I'm gonna prune it a little. I wish I could move this over here. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move this one right here over here. Okay, we're just gonna try to get to the bottom. Ugh. Okay, we got it over here. We're gonna get a little more dirt. I think we okay. We're gonna prune it a little. That one. And we have a couple of flowers up here. We'll prune those. It took forever for these. I prune my flowers. I don't know. I think I'm gonna wait. I'll prune that. It took forever for those flowers to get on here. Or just move this one over there. That's what I'm gonna do. They won't be out so close. Put a little bit in there. And I got this. Mix it up. So yeah, that's okay. Let's move this one here over a little. Oh, shit. But it don't supposed to be over there. I think I messed this up. I just scooted over a little bit. I could have put it in one of those. That's what I should have did. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it in so that we have an even surface. Hope I'm not messing them up by scooting them over. Then I should have put that one over here. Now I don't know which one is a jalapeno. Okay. And then this one right here, this is, dang, this is like, yeah, I'm gonna move these two over. Okay. Okay, we separate. Okay, well, that's two. Oh, well. I don't think I'm gonna mess with these no more. It's like leaning over. I have some sticks I can put there. Oops. I have this stick. I'm gonna put it like right here. So when it do start leaning, to be able to catch that. And I'm gonna make another one for these two. I just wish these two were. I don't think these was two though. I don't know. Put them over here so I can water. They've been in the sun all day, so they don't really need no sun. I don't think they need no more sun.